What is your opinion on Dr. Israr Ahmad's ijtihad on the efforts of Iqamat-e-Din? In fact, I will not be able to answer this question, not because I don't want to comment. I have just been requested by the son of Dr. Israr Ahmad, whose name is Asif Hamid, that I should give a recording of about 10 to 15 minutes. On the 27th of August, they are going to have the 50 years of Dr. Israr Ahmad's revival of the returning to the Quran. You know, they're going to have a function on the 27th of August in Lahore in Pakistan, where many of the renowned duats and scholars and Islamic personalities will be coming, and they requested a video from me, and it's on the same topic. So inshallah, I'll be recording and sending a video. So if you want to watch, you can surely, I think they may be relaying it online also, and it's available also to visit physically. It's in Lahore, Pakistan. So surely you can wait, or maybe after I give in the video, I will release it so you can hear it after that. But as you know that, alhamdulillah, I was inspired, besides Sheikh Ahmed Deedat, the second person who was my inspiration was Dr. Zakir Naik. And inshallah, I'll give the message on the recording, which will be telecast inshallah on the 27th of August in Lahore in Pakistan.